Today we are building a notebook that actually does the math. A personal finance tracker, you log what comes in, you log what goes out, and it shows you your balance, your summary, and your history automatically. And we are building the whole thing from a phone using Cloud Code. No laptop, no coding background needed. But before we dive in, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, kindly do well to support our channel by purchasing our educational token Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain and the contract address will be in the description below. Thank you. Now let's get started. Before we touch anything, let's be clear on what the notebook needs to do. Strip away all the tech words and it is really 3 jobs. The first one is to take entries. You tell it, I earned this or I spent this, how much and what it was for. The second is to do the maths. The total income, total expenses and what is left, which is your balance. The third is to remember. When you close the app, you come back tomorrow, your entries are still there. So that's it. That's the whole app. Everything we build today is in service of those 3 jobs. Now, quick heads up on how it remembers things. We are not going to set up a database. That's a whole extra layer and will be taught in subsequent tutorials. Instead, we'll use something built into every browser called local storage. Think of it as a drawer built into your phone's browser. The app writes your entries into that drawer and every time you open the app, it checks the drawer first. Simple, free, and it works the moment you deploy. No extra setup. First thing is same as every episode. We need a home for this code before Cloud Code can work on it. And we are going to do that with GitHub. Now tap on GitHub or you can use the website. Let's open our GitHub app. Now tap on the plus icon at the top. Then tap on new repository. Name it something like finance tracker. You can choose to add a description or just tap on next. Set this to public. Check add a readme file. Then tap on create at the top. And that's it. Empty repo ready to go. This is the workspace Cloud Code is going to build inside, like clearing a table before you start working. Now open Cloud Code on your phone. Tap on Cloud. Tap on the icon at the top left, then tap on Code. If this is your first time, connect your GitHub account when it asks and let Cloud Code read and write your repo directly. I'll just tap on new session, then I'll tap on this and change to the finance tracker repo we just created. Now, a quick reminder for anyone new to the series. You are not learning to code today, you are learning to direct someone who codes. Your job is to describe the notebook clearly. Cloud Code job is to build it. Now, here's the thing about directing Cloud Code well. The more clearly you describe the finished notebook up front, the less back and forth you need later. So instead of building this in pieces, we are going to hand over one complete detailed prompt that carries everything the app needs to be genuinely useful from day one. Now, I've already gotten my prompt, so I'll just paste it here. Once you've gotten your prompt, just send it and let Cloud Code work. It will create the file, write the logic, and give you a summary of what it did. Let's just give Cloud a few minutes. Cloud Code is done. All you need to do is tap on the icon at the bottom. Just tap on this icon. It will take you to GitHub. Just scroll up, then tap on merge. Merge it. So we have successfully merged it. The next step is to deploy with Vessel. So we'll go to our browser, then we head to vessel.com. Sign in with your details, which is your GitHub account. Once you've done that, tap on the plus icon at the top right, then tap on projects. Now select the finance tracker repo, select it, just tap on import. Leave the default settings. Since it's a static HTML file, there's nothing to configure. Just scroll down, then tap on deploy. Give it a minute. Vessel hands you back a live link, something like financetracker.yourname.vessel. That's a real working app on the internet. built from your phone that you can now open every single day to log your spending. So here our website is ready. Let's tap on it. So this is the personal finance tracker, done, deployed, and actually usable. If you notice, we didn't need any laptop, no database, no separate backend server, just a clear description of what the notebook should do and Claude code turning that into a working code. And one honest note is, local storage means this data lives only on the device and browser you used to add it. It won't follow you to your other phone or your laptop. Now you need to add your income. Add your income, salary, tap on the type, make sure it's income, add the amount, then tap on add transaction. So we've added the income. Now let's add the expenses. Tap on the type, change to expense. What did you buy? Foodstuffs, amount, then tap on add transaction. So this basically subtracts your expenses from your income and gives you your balance. That's what this app does. So that's it. I hope this video has been really helpful. If you have any questions, kindly drop them in the comments as the team member will be available to answer them. Like and subscribe to our channel for more educative content. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.